हेलो बच्चों। तो आज हम सीखेंगे स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट्स। पर्पल कलर, ब्राउन कलर, पिंक कलर, ग्रीन कलर। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. G for girl. G for girl. G for girl. H for horse. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nose. N for nose. N for nose. O for octopus. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for parrot. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. V for van. W. W for watch. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. चलो बच्चों, आप भी मेरे साथ ABCD बोलिए. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for girl. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. तो बच्चों, वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.